Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. It is said that don't live for retirement. Means many times what we feel, we tell I will do it tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year, or after retirement. So we go on postponing the things. It is said that we should live in this moment because this moment is the moment when we are living. For example, look at a flower, nice rose flower. And today the flower is fresh and it is actually alive only today because you are knowing tomorrow, day after tomorrow, it won't be as fresh as today. That is why it is said that mindfulness, or we should live in today. Many times what happens, I have seen many people when we go for the trip and all, they won't be enjoying around. They will be busy taking the photographs. Why? Because they immediately want to show it to your friends and all that they have visited such and such. What I feel is when we go there, let us enjoy that first. Afterwards, you can have the photographs and all. I don't say no. But we should live in the present and we should have the enjoyment. Otherwise, what happens? There is a story about a man who always used to tell that I will do this tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next year, like that. When he was a boy, he said, when I go to the college, I will study well. And in his high school, he has not studied. All of a sudden, where he will study in college? Then he said, when I get a job, I will do this and that. He got a job. When he got a job, he said, when I get married, I will do this and that. Then, when he got married, he got his children. Even he said, when the children grow up, I will do this and that. Everything happened. He told, after retirement, I am going to do all these things. He was retired also. By the time he retired, he was having BP, sugar, and so many other diseases that he was not able to do anything. That is why it is said that we should learn to live today. To this, when I look at the present generation, it is much, much better than our generation. Our generation used to think about the future. Even money we used to keep in the FDs so that it will be of use for us later. Nowadays generation is spending, enjoying today. That is why I feel that today's generation is better than our generation. They know how to live in the present. They know how to be the beautiful rose flower as it is today. Because tomorrow it won't be the same. They are knowing it. So while living in the present, it will help for our future as well. If we take care of present, you are knowing, tomorrow will be taken care by today. For example, if you are a student, you are studying well, you are concentrating on your studies and everything. Then what happens? Naturally, you will be having a better tomorrow because you have done today better. So always concentrate on today. Don't live for retirement. Because today is much, much precious. Many times I wonder even today Some people say that when they join for the job or anything, or everyone nowadays wants to get government job. Why? What is the reason? I think you too know the reason. They feel that if it is the government job, when they retire, they will get the pension, this and that. Oh, today you can earn such a lot. Why are you bothered about the pension after 60s? Be bothered about today itself. And you are knowing the good companies, they pay you much, much better than the government jobs. So, all these things, but it depends from person to person. If you are ready for risk taking, then this is much, much helping you. You should be ready to take risks. That too, you youngsters, this is your young age. When you are having 4 times, 5 times payment more in the private than the government job, why you have to go for the government job? I don't know why these children waste their 6 years, 7 years in preparing for the competitive exams and all, when they are well versed, when they are highly qualified and all. So believe in yourself, believe in today, believe in the present. Who knows what is tomorrow? Tomorrow we won't be knowing. That is why we should learn to enjoy today. Then only we will be happy. Then only we can make our future perfect, good, everything. So don't keep on. There is a story about an old man. He was told that by God or by a holy person that he will be given a pot and he can take money without stopping. The time he stops, the pot will stop giving up money. So the man was old, about 70 years old. He took the pot to his house. He kept on taking out the money, coin after all, gold coins, one after the other, whole night, day, everything. He didn't eat, he didn't even take water. For 2 days continuously he was doing, because he knows if he stops, the pot will, his rooms were filled with money. Then what happened? Because 2 days, first of all the man was old, he was not having food, he had not even sipped water as well, he died. Now tell me what happened if he would have stopped after taking some coins. His life would have gone so happily. At last, how much he needed for his future? After all, he was 70 years old, I said. But the greed, it did not stop him. So he thought if he stopped, it will stop. So he went on. Rooms after the rooms were filled with the gold coins. And the man died there itself. That is why I am telling you. This is the fact. We should take care of today. No doubt, when you work more, you will earn more, but at the same time, have some time for your enjoyment, for your trips, for your relatives, for your friends, for your family. Enjoy well, and don't say always, I will do it after retirement. Many times, it happened with many of us as well. When we were young, we used to tell, okay, for pilgrimage and trips and all, we will go later. No doubt, and those days were different. We were not paid so well as nowadays people are paid. And moreover, we had the responsibility of our families. So, we couldn't travel much till the age of 60. After 60, no doubt, I traveled a lot. But many of my friends, they have not traveled at all, because during the working time they couldn't and afterwards there was no one to take them. It won't be so easy to go alone, travel alone. That is why I am telling, don't wait for retirement. Enjoy your life today itself, because today is the hard cash. So use it well. Have a nice day.